you that you'll make a lovely headdress or a double-breasted suit of skin. But it means you best stay sharp, 'cause I'm gonna free that black blood from that black heart. I'm gonna fry with a smile on my face. You think you're so slick, I've seen a lipstick cross your tail snake. You think you're so slick, I've seen a lipstick cross your tail snake. I'll track you down like a bloodhound till time to die. What it means, you got it so bad, I can barely carry your weight across my tiny back. Talk me singing in heaven, I'll send you sailing. Real thick black magic can stop the tragedy from happening. Pig's feet and snake piss, crow tongue and cat face, horse tail and bone bits, bird's nest and grey dust. All of it won't keep the tragedy from happening, so